a little muddy today. That's gonna stop this Mint 80. You see, we got these all-terrain traction tires. Check that Hogan Cutshell. Ooh. See, when we would race like Hogan Cutshell, we use a lot of gas. So we got those nice tires, and we're just gonna send it in the mud, you know. Just kind of hurt. Let me take a break. Oh. Alright. We got that thyroid scar all healed up, that little red light. Intro clip from Hogan Cutshell.
I have a red light! Mom, I'm E.T. E.T. from No Home. Mom, let me heal you. Come here, bring me your nose. I'll heal your thyroid scar. You'll never get cancer again.
Yeah. Oh. I'm not even kidding, the bottom of this shoe came off. The bottom of that freaking shoe came off. I think it honestly might have blown up. There's no going. Boot got a little torn up. That's okay. Makes it all a nice little squish here. You know, it's nice and squishy like what was it, your mom? She forgot to, you know, go before. You know what I'm talking about, you know. It looked like that after I was done with her. You know. I mean, I had to wipe it off just like that, you know, just, like what the heck? Oh.
Ready?
Oh. Oh, Dad, look at all that smoke. Whew. Ah! I'm stuck. I gotta pee real quick. I'm gonna take a quick pee break. Oh, I'll see you on the other side. Oh. I'm not coming through there. Oh! Oh! We're gonna hypothermia. We're gonna call, oh my bad. We're gonna call it a day. We'll get some more content tomorrow, but we're about to die of hypothermia, so I'll see y'all motherfuckers later.